Hey there, today we're going to clean some scratches off this hood and off the mirror with this 3M scratch remover paste. We're going to start by cleaning this car off with some wax-free car wash. Wax would just add an extra layer that this is going to have to work through to do its job. First, let's see how this does on the side mirror, a plastic part.
That seemed to do a pretty good job on this. You can still see the scratches, but they're barely there now.
Now let's see if we can take care of this hood scratch on a metal hood.
That scratch that went down to the primer, it's still not happy, but it looks better than it did. These other scratches are cleaning up pretty well too. I imagine if I go over this area a second time, there's some scratches here that are going to be completely gone.
Alright, this did a pretty decent job on the plastic part, but the hood it was okay on. To be fair though, the hood was a trickier job because the scratch was down to the primer, but I'd say if you're looking to repair a scratch on a plastic part, this is a pretty good option to go with, but if it's a metal part, maybe try something else. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video.